Is it supper time, Panda?
Panda, come here. It's right here. Look.
Oh.
Eating in the big girl dish.
She's not even tasting it. She's just hoovering it.
Yeah, that's what she
But at
does.
least you can't push that one around.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, and I don't have to fight with her to hold it.
Does she?
Well, and she still, if she knocks stuff out of that bowl, which is kind of hard to
This
believe.
might be a world record. Look at how fast she eats. Panda.
We have ordered her a dish that has stuff, obstructions in it.
What is going on here?
So that she'll have to slow her down.
Yeah.
Oh no, you missed a couple. You missed a couple.
She says, I'll go back. I'm still working on this.
Oh my goodness.
I'm trying to lick that bone off the bottom of the bowl.
Gone. You won, Panda. You won. Panda, you
There's
won.
nothing left there.
You won.
Oh, good running. Good running.
Come here. Come here.
Good girl.
Come here. Shake.
Oh my god. I do, but she's right here, so I can just come visit her.
Panda.
Come to me. Oh my goodness,
Okay,
you're
I'll
the
come over
cutest
and say hi
thing.
to
You're
you.
so squishy. You're so squishy and cute. Look at you.
Or by
Come here, girl.
herself. If we open the door.
You're so cute. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Panda. Come here.
Well, I'll go in and you can.
Can you do it? Oh, good girl. You made it up. You didn't need a boost. You didn't need a boost. Can you come out?
Well, now watch this. She'll come back.
Come here. Come here. Can you get down? Oh, you're a good girl. Yes, you are.
Look, she said, I'm a grown-up dog.
Wow, look at her go.
I started to put her mouth near my fingers. I thought this
you
was
gotta-
safer.
Yeah.
Oh.
She'll wrestle with you a little bit, tug with you.
Good girl.
Did you get that?
Do that again.
Will you shake? Good girl.
You're a good girl.
Sit. 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 Panda. Come
She
here.
said, I don't want to sit.
That's sitting.
Sit. That's a good sit.
Get your panda.
Oh, she's vicious.
My panda.
Get your panda. Get your panda. Get your panda. Where's your panda? Where's your panda? Get your panda.
You having a nap?
That's where she sleeps. On my blanket.
Are you tired?
And Tom gave her a, right in the other